Okay, this is the coil for the ceiling fan. I have so many burnt here, so I'm trying to reconnect the cable back and probably test the fan for functionality, if it's still gonna work or not. But put my finger crossed that the fan is still going to work. So while I go ahead to join the cable back, I will just have to pause the video and resume later. Thank you. So after the connection has been done, this is how it's going to look like. So see it. Now I'm going to couple it and maybe run the test, see if it's going to function. So I'll be right back. Alright, to reduce the noise on the fan due to the bad bearing, I just got a new bearing and I'll just change it now. So I'm looking forward for a better functionality. This is the old bearing. See, this is the old bearing, and that's the new one. So just change it. Let me couple it now and see the results. So this is the fan. I'm just about to couple it and put it to test. I haven't screwed anything. Still on that. I've finished coupling it. No more noise. I think the fan is free now. No more noise. I just did the connection now with the capacitor to be sure that everything goes well. You can see the color coating of the cable. You see where the capacitor goes to and out. So we're done. I think I'm good to go. I'm going to install the fan now and hope all goes well. Check back. So this is the fan. I just installed it now. As you can see, it's working now.